When tagging elements in Revit, the process begins in the Annotate tab by selecting Tag by Category. Once activated, you can click on the desired element in the model, such as a wall. At first, the tag may appear as a question mark, which indicates that its label parameters are not yet configured. To customize it, double-click the created tag. This will open a dedicated editing window. In this window, select the text labeled as 1 ton and choose Edit Label from the ribbon. Within the Category Parameters panel, remove the default tag mark and instead add the parameter description into the label parameters list. Apply and confirm the changes and then return to the model. By clicking on the question mark symbol, you can now edit the tag's description. For example, if you have tagged a generic wall, you can modify the description field so that it displays generic wall. For floors, you may encounter a prompt indicating that no floor tag family has been loaded. In such cases, you will need to load the appropriate family from the library. Once installed, the tag will function properly for floor elements. For components with multiple instances, such as windows or doors, the Tag All tool offers a more efficient solution. Choose all objects in the current view. Then, select the relevant categories, for example, doors, and confirm the settings. All doors within the active view will automatically display tags. The same method can be applied to windows, ensuring a consistent and comprehensive tagging system across your project. To create a legend in Revit, begin by going to the View tab and selecting Legend. Once selected, the system will prompt you to assign a name to the legend. For example, if the legend is intended to document windows, you may name it Window Legend. Next, choose the appropriate scale based on project requirements, such as 120, and confirm by clicking OK. You will then be directed to a blank legend view. From here, navigate to the project browser, locate the window family category, drag the specific window types used in your model into the blank legend view. Place them by left-clicking in the drawing area. For better representation, you can display multiple views of the same window, such as a plan view and a front elevation view, to provide a more complete understanding of the component. After arranging the elements, you can measure their dimensions directly within the legend. Activate the Align Dimension tool by typing DI on the keyboard, and then click on the edges of the window to annotate its width and other critical measurements. This approach ensures the legend not only documents the component graphically but also provides precise dimensional information for reference. To create a schedule in Revit, begin by navigating to the View tab and selecting Schedule/Quantities. Once selected, the system will open the new Schedule dialog box. In the category field, choose the type of schedule you want to generate. For example, if you want to create a window schedule, simply select Windows and then click OK. You will then be directed to the Schedule Properties dialog. Under the Fields tab, select the parameters you want to include and arrange them in your desired order. For example, you may choose family type, cost, count, and level, and organize them according to the project requirements. After selecting the fields, you can further refine the schedule by configuring filters, sorting/grouping, formatting, and appearance. For instance, under sorting/grouping, you may set family type as a header to clearly categorize your windows. Once these settings are finalized, your window schedule will be generated. In addition, schedules can be further customized to enhance clarity and presentation. For example, you can apply shading to specific rows, such as row A or row B, to visually distinguish data. Similarly, cost values can be customized according to project-specific pricing, ensuring the schedule is both accurate and practical.